As a leading provider of material handling equipment and solutions, we're dedicated to providing our customers with everything they need to improve their operations and achieve greater success. In this video, we will be showcasing how our Allied and Millwright department does exactly that. These departments are focused on providing our customers with all the products and services they need to keep their warehouses and docks running smoothly and safely. Our Allied department can help by optimizing your operation and labor management, greatly improving efficiency. We offer a range of automation solutions including automated storage and retrieval systems, automated guided vehicles, picking systems, and robotic solutions. In conjunction, our team can set up programs to monitor labor output and forklift productivity. Furthermore, we also offer a range of products and services to help you equip your warehouses and docks for success. This includes industrial storage, pallet racking, conveyor systems, space file, and locker solutions. We can provide, and our Millwright Services can install everything you need to create a safe and effective workspace. Our Allied department also provides expert consulting services. This includes engineering services with computer-aided design, comprehensive integration services, and post-implementation services. Allow us to help you make informed decisions and choose the right solutions for your unique needs. In addition, our Millwright team is on hand to provide ongoing support and maintenance for your equipment. Allow us to help service your dock equipment, doors, conveyors, and ensure that your systems continue to deliver the best possible performance. And if you're in need of a quick expansion or extra workspace, don't forget about your modular offices and mezzanine fabrication. Finally, in addition to our core products, we also offer high-speed doors, HVLS fans, and a range of safety equipment and surveys. These offerings and utilities can help you control your environment, improve safety, and protect your employees and assets. We're extremely proud of the work our Allied and Millwright department does, and we're confident that they can help you achieve your material handling goals. Have any questions? Our team of experienced professionals is always available to help you identify the best products and solutions for your specific needs and budget. We are Welch Equipment, your partner in efficiency. Call your local branch today for a free consultation.